Which of the following is power transmitting element? Sprocket and chain. The main machine elements such as bearing are supporting type element. The shaft that directly connect to the power source is called as line shaft. Which of the following is a machine shaft? Crankshaft. Which of the following statement is true? Shaft transmit power while axles do not transmit power. Which flat belt drive system has two pulleys mounted on driven shaft and one pulley is driving shaft, fast and loose pulley drive. Which of the following statement is false for belt drives? तो इसमें आंसर हो जाएगा आपका बेल्ट ड्राइव्स इज यूज्ड इन एप्लीकेशन हैविंग कांस्टेंट स्पीड, बिल्कुल गलत. बेल्ट ड्राइव्स कैन बी यूज्ड एट एक्सट्रीमली हाई स्पीड, बिल्कुल गलत. और बेल्ट ड्राइव नीड द कंटिन्यूअस लुब्रिकेशन, ये भी गलत है. सही क्या है? तो बेल्ट ड्राइव्स हैव लो पावर ट्रांसमिटिंग कैपेसिटी, बिल्कुल सही, क्योंकि इसमें क्रीप टाइट स्लैग एट क्रीप होते रहता है. डिटरमाइन पावर रेटिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर इफ इट रन 1440 rpm and line shaft transmit the 75 Newton torque. Assume the reduction ratio is 1.6. तो in simple gear trains, the direction of rotation of driven gear is opposite to the direction of rotation of the driving gear only if even number of idle gear are present. Why is an idler gear used in gear trains? To have required direction of rotation. The process of creating mechanism and shape of mechanical element for a machine to get the desired output of a given input is called as synthesis. Which of the following is not a reason to design and redesign a product? None of the optimum design, बिल्कुल गलत. Even innovation appearance ये सब नहीं है. In design process, which process is followed by after selecting the material? Determining mode of failure. Which design consideration deals with appreciation of product? Aesthetics. The object of considering the ergonomics in machine design is to decrease the physical stress, and second one is make machine fit for the users. Hardness of material enable to it resist abrasion, penetration and plastic deformation. The component deforming progressively under load at high temperature is called as creep. Which of the following ferrous alloy can be casted into the intricate shape? Cast iron. Which of the following is not a property of copper alloy? High strength. What is the percentage of carbon in the plain carbon steel? 1 point less than 1.7%. What are the minimum number of kinematic pair required in the kinematic chain? 4 kinematic pair. According to the Grashof law, in a 4-bar chain, one link can complete a rotation only sum of largest if the sum of largest and shortest link is less or equal to the sum of the remaining two links. Beam engine mechanism is an example of crank and lever mechanism. Which of the following in version of 4-bar chain convert the oscillatory motion from one lever to another lever? Acronym steering gear mechanism. In the slider crank mechanism shown below, link 2 is fixed. And the second version of the slider crank mechanism is absorbed in Whitworth quick return mechanism. Which of the following is not a surface finishing process? Turning process. Match the following manufacturing process with the types and select the correct option. Metal forming, extrusion, surface finishing, grinding, metal sheet metal working, blanking, or metal joining, riveting. Which of the following factor reduce the strength of casted component? Blowholes, gas cavities, non-metallic incursion. All of the above. Which of the following process material is neither add nor removed but deformed into desired shape? Metal forming process. Which of the following component is used by powder metallurgy process? So gear, cutting tools, or bearing bushes. All of the above.